Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. This website pay you DGBjunkie, and the registration is very easy. Just I log in to show you how you can earn from this website. Okay, and this is a crosswalk. Just click profile and just click login. Okay, and right now we are in the junkie, and this is my Faucetpay. I reload my Faucetpay to show you I didn't have any DGBy right now. We are going to junkie. Just I click solve the capture. Chimney, just click next and just click this one and claim from Faucet. Okay, wait few seconds, show your page. Okay, and after that you click this one, wait a few seconds, wait 3 seconds to your link will be get ready. Just click the URL link, and that's it. That's too easy. You receive your first DGBy to your wallet address. And thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is a free way earning website, but I tell you one thing, just subscribe to my channel. Just watch this video. This video is an investment website. I invest much more DGBy in here, and I received much more DGBy from this website. Okay, the first time is 90, I received 32, and right now I invest 3 and 39. Okay, and this website pay 100% without any risk, and I show you the payment of this website. That 2 payment. Okay, one is 90 to cut 1 DGBy fees. The next one is 32, cut 1 DGBy dogecoin fees. Okay, and this is one of the best investment website. This will be pay me, and I will be invest much more dogecoin in this website. Bye bye for now.